Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this new product I have here. It's a weighted heating pad for neck and shoulders. It looks like this. And well, I'm going to be opening it with you. And I need to tell you that really I love all these things that they are like with the heating for the body, okay? Because I love to put it like before sleeping, and also when I have like times the Sundays or when I don't have like a lot of things to do, like to put that type of things, and then maybe see a movie or maybe doing my skincare. Okay, so I'm going to open it. The product, it comes like this. Okay, it's like, oh, it's here in the back, and I think this one, it functions very perfect because you have like already the space to save it. And then we have the heating pad. The first time you touch it, it has like some balls inside maybe, but really it feels incredible. Okay, let me see where. Okay, in this part we need to connect it. Let me open it. Okay, and then I'm going to connect it, and I'm going to see how much time we need to leave it like for it starts heating. Okay, I'm taking this part off, and then I'm going to connect it to this side. Okay, it goes this way. I'm going to connect it. Okay, I already connected, but I know what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to when I turn it on, I'm going to take the time that it spends to start heating. Okay, so I think it goes like this. Then you can put it. Okay. Really, it's incredible because it is super soft. All this. Well, also you can do it like this, but I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, and I have here the cable. Okay, so I'm going to start. Oh, okay, like the intensity of the heating mode. So here, okay, the biggest number is 8. So I'm going to put it in that number, and it's 8.3, and I'm going to tell you, okay? Okay, guys, it's 8.4, and here inside, I can start feeling it hot. Not too much, but it starts feeling it, and it feels incredible, okay? And well, I have the sweater. If I take it off, I think I will feel it better. But here I want to show you that in this part, it is the timing, okay? We have like half an hour complete, 1 hour and a half, 2, 4, and 8 hours, okay? So here you can change it. Then here it's to turn it on and off. And this one is to change the heating temperature, okay? Like level 1 to level 8. Okay, I have it in level 8, and just in 1 minute, 2 minutes, I'm feeling it really, like in this part, I feel it super incredible. And well, it feels super cool. Okay, it looks like this, and I like it a lot.